Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to build a rewarding journey in Partal. So I placed few items here. First we have our instructions, collect 3 boxes to get reward. I have my 3 boxes and nice visual of reward. So what we are going to build is by visiting each of the boxes you get points. So for each visit you get 10 points, and as a result, once you reach 30 points, you get your pop-up screen with your details of your reward, right? So this is what we are going to build. So first I will select my box number 1 by right-clicking on it, and I'll go into my settings. I will enable reward, and I will mark it that you are going to get 10 points. And you will need only to stay 1 second within that spot to get those 10 points, right? And you can adjust your interactive range, and you see that your sphere is gonna move around, gonna scale around the box, so you can make it bigger or smaller. So those adjustments you can do. So I will repeat the same steps for my remaining 2 boxes. I'll go into the box 2, enable an hour 10 points. I will go to my box 3, interaction settings, rewards. So now in total I have 3 boxes. I've set to all of them 10 points each, and now we are ready to test. So I'll hit my play button. I'll go to my play mode. Oh, one more thing. I was testing previously, so you see that I already collected the rewards. So to do that from the beginning and test it multiple times, you can just reset your progress in here. And now once you reset it, I go to the play mode again. So I'm visiting my first box, collecting my first 10 points, visiting second box, collecting my second step 20 points, and I'm collecting my last 10 points by visiting a third box. And once you collect all the points, 30 out of 30, you have that beautiful screen which tells you that you've won a reward, right? That screen you can customize in your manage reward settings. And first you have your reward model pop-up which we saw just now. You have the email as well, which is automatically sent to the user once the reward is received. If they are not registered at the portal, they can actually go and sign up for it at that point of time if they want to store information. Otherwise, they would be just getting the reward model pop-up. And then you can customize the web page as well if you want to add any additional data. And that web page normally opens from the rewards panel of the specific user. Right? There are a couple of more options to play with under the rewards, so you can show up or hide those pop-ups which you saw while we were visiting those boxes, so you can do it here. If you want users to collect only, for example, 2 boxes out of 3 or any those type of conditions, right? I mean, when you don't want the all 30 points collected, you can require all available points to get reward. You can disable that and manually assign how many points will be required to collect it. You also can set up in what frequency. For example, is it once a day users can do it, or once every year the users can actually collect their rewards, and those settings can be adjusted by enabling that toggle. I think that's it. Just to mention one more thing, you can play a lot more with visibility of objects, right? To do that, you can actually go into your interaction settings and enable visibility. The scenarios could be that, let's say in the beginning, you don't show any of those items, right? So for example, you don't have the box 2 and box 3, and you don't have that trophy image as well. So by visiting a first box, you can open up box 2. By visiting box 2, you can open up a box 3, and when the box 3 is done, you can open up your trophy. So that's also possible, and to achieve that, you would need to play with those settings, interaction settings and visibility, so you can add items to hide and hide. That's it. Thank you very much. Enjoy building.